Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out the week of August 1st. So it does start on a Monday. I'm super excited. I think that means it's going to be a good month, right? So let's go ahead and go back to last week, show you kind of how it finished out. So Monday I worked, my son got his stitches out, worked again, did my YouTube binges. I always watch my Plan With Me's on YouTube. And then I did legs, bar, my son had basketball practice. And then I did legs here, so I just wrote that in here. Worked Tuesday, had a nap, went school shopping, had a really big dance class on Tuesday, and then I did film my August plan with me. And then I did arms. Wednesday I worked, and then I invited my dad over for dinner, so I did miss bar, but did take Brayden to basketball practice, and then I had a staff meeting at 7. Didn't do any workouts there. Thursday, I recorded some dances to put on my Facebook page, and then we had a really huge class this time, and then I just put this little Winston here. I did a new leg song, and out of all of the leg exercises, I put all of them in that song, and it was intense. I also did my arms, and then Friday was super busy. I worked, and then I taught dance class for my friend. And then we ended up driving to Michigan for this concert. What was supposed to be a 3-hour drive ended up being 5.5 hours. So we were a little late, but we got there in time. And then we ended up coming home around 5:30 in the morning on on Saturday. And then I had to work at 8. And then I went to a reunion until about 3:30. And then I got my cleaning done. It is currently Saturday night. So after my cleaning, I took a nap and I'm wide awake and it's midnight. It's fine. So yeah, haven't done Sunday yet. The only thing on the list is to grocery shop. So I haven't did my meals for Sunday either. Filled in my steps, but I did the rest of my food there. So anyways, this week I am going to be using a kit from Sticker Mama. I do PR for her, so I'm super excited to try one of her Daily Duo kits. I have a whole bunch of her stickers, but I haven't tried a kit yet. These were freebies that came into one of my order, and it does match. I also did my August in this spread. So we have those freebies. We have the date dots here. We have these big boxes for the bottom, and then some boxes there. This does come with some deco as well as some script. And then we have the headers here, the dates, and then these boxes cover up this calendar, some to-dos, some meal times, and of course some flags. So I am going to lay down the base of this kit and then we'll get into the planning. Alright, so this is how the layout turned out. I think it's really cute. I love the art in this kit. So let's go ahead and get started. So I think for my husband's work, so he is moving to first shift starting this day. So I'm going to use the leftover boxes from the monthly kit and just kind of coordinate like so, because we don't have a whole bunch of labels to work with, which is fine. And then I have a whole mess over here. Does anybody else plan like that? Just me? So for my work, I am going to put these flags. So I'm going to work 9:45, like so. And then we do have an open house for my son Brayden. So I am going to use this label. It's at 1 o'clock. This little open house sticker is from Planner Kate. So we're going to do that. So for this open house, it's a new school, so we're just going to go figure out his locker, find out where the classrooms are, show him where the art, gym, all that stuff is, because they moved the junior high into the high school in our town. So that's all new to him. He is going to 8th grade. So that'll be interesting. And then we do have basketball practice. Let's see what I want to do. I think I put that on a label here somewhere, maybe. What did I do with it? I don't know what I did with the basketball. There they are. So I'm going to use these little labels from the freebie that I got. So I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to put it a little bit early because he does like going, it's 6 to 8, but he likes going a little bit early. And then I do have bar at 6:30. I'm going to do that. And then I am going to put my little Instagram right here just to kind of differentiate the areas. And then we do have to get trash out. So she does have a trash, I saw somewhere, there it is, trash day. So that needs to be done. And then I think that's it for Monday. So this area I'm going to put the weather, and then if I do a like my legs or my arms or some kind of workout, I'm going to put that down here. I think that'll work. I like that. Okay, on Tuesday we are going to do, so my husband is off. So he actually, this is going to be a whole new thing because I'm going to put him here because I work in the morning. Or do I want to put it over here? Let's do that. That way I have a flag. So he's usually working midnights and he's going to first shift, but his first shift starts at 4:30. So he has to leave super early. So I'm going to do the wellness center here. And I'm going to work until 4. So 5 to 8 and then 12 to 4. And then we have a meet the teacher. So I'm going to just put this parent meeting sticker. One of these labels. This is from Fern Creek Stickers, I think. And that is at, I think it's at 2. So that's where he actually gets to go. Oh, okay, maybe we need a longer one. He actually gets to go meet with his teachers, which I'm a little nervous because me and my husband went to this high school and my husband was not a very good boy in high school. So I hope they don't take it out on him, but it's fine. I'm going to put this right in the middle. Parent meeting. And then I do have dance, so I'll need to make a playlist. And dance. And then after dance, I'm going to do, they are adding a class. It's called Pumped Up Strength. I don't have a Pumped Up Strength sticker, so I am just going to use this HIT sticker because that's kind of what it is. It's, you know, you get weights, do it to music. So we're going to do that. Again, weather, and then if I can make it, I don't know. I think that'll be a lot back to back, but it'll be fun. And then Wednesday, I don't work either job. My husband is off. Let's do this one. So he's off, so we might do a beach day. I do have a beach day sticker here. My middle son's foot is completely healed with his stitches, so I think he will be good to go, but we really don't have anything to do, so that'll be good. And then I have a bar again that night. Well, let me put it at 6:30. Okay, and then basketball for Brayden. Now, I'm assuming there'll be basketball, but since school starts the next day, I'm not 100% sure. So we will do that, and then my Instagram post. And I think that's it for Wednesday. Thursday, my husband goes to work. And then this is the first day of school for the boys. So I'm going to put this little, where am I going to put that up? Probably over here, because I have to do drop off. So I have to go pick up my niece and then take both my kids, and they have obviously 2 different schools. So my niece and my oldest son go to the same school now. So I did get these little drop off and pick up stickers from Simply Smith Stickers. It is in a different font, but I really liked it. So I'm going to do that. I don't know if I'm going to put them on little labels. For now, I'm just going to leave them like that because I don't know if I have enough. But if I do, I'll go back and get it. So I need to go to work this day right after I drop them off. I already told my boss that I would probably be a little bit late, and she's fine with it. So my daughter will go to the nursery while I work, and then I do need to make a playlist because I have class again that night. And dance at 5:30. And then on Thursday, she's bringing back Pound. So Pound didn't do so hot the last go around, but I think the attendance will pick up. And I think all Ys are like that. Attendance kind of drops in the summer when there's, sports and stuff. But I think it'll do good now. We have a pretty good base now. So I think that's it for Thursday. Friday, my husband has to work here. And then we have an open house for her, and that's at 8:30. I'm just going to put it right like this. Again, that sticker is from Planner Kate. They're 2 different sizes, so if you do order from her, make sure you look at the sizes because one's a lot smaller. And then I do have to work. Don't I work? Oh, I dance. I dance on Friday. I have to sub for my friend, and that's at 10:15. Do I have a, there we go. Then I have to make a playlist for that. And then I'm also adding Friday night classes because my attendance has been awesome and they've been asking for more classes. So happy to do that. And then I think that's it for Friday. Let's do my Instagram here. And that is super good. Like so. And then Saturday, he is off. But I do have to work. My first client is at 9:45. There we go. And then I have 2 clients that day. And I don't think I have anything else the rest of the day. What is that? The rest of the day that day. Here's my Instagram. And then on Sunday, we are doing a mud run. So I've never done one before. My friend that I'm going with, she did one last year and she just thought it was amazing. So I'm going to put this here. This is also another freebie that I got. And then I think I'm going to put this little label inside so I can write on it. And I'll just put mud run. My husband's off, so he's gonna stay with the kids. And I think that's about it. So let me go back and put down everything that I missed because I always do that. So mud run. Okay, let's kind of work backwards here. They also have school on Friday. See, I'm just missing all the things. So we have drop off and then we have pickup, which I don't know exactly when my middle son's pickup is, but I know the high school's is a little bit later. So I'm going to put it right at 3:30. And then got both my Instagrams there. And then pick up here. Put it right at 3:30. And they can obviously wait if I need to. Oh, I have this for Pound. Because if you've ever been to Pound, I don't know if you even know what that is. So you are like, there's my air conditioner. Be right back. Alright, sorry about that. So anyways, Pound is you're basically in a squat or lunge position. There is a couple core songs where you're on the floor and you're like lifting your feet up and like hitting the ground side to side, but you have weighted drumsticks. So I think they're like a half pound or a pound each, and you can hit them together or like strike them on the ground, and it really does tone everything. So I really hope she keeps that class. All right, so I also forgot to put in my little labels up here. So I have school and summer break. So I'm going to put these on the top here just so I can just see at first glance kind of what's going on here. So they have school Friday. And then summer break on these 2 days. And I did pull these little stickers out from Simply Smith Stickers. It's just a little book, super cute. And then this little trash day doodle here. I really like that. And then I did forget my Instagram sticker over here. Why didn't you guys tell me? And then on Saturdays, I do clean the house. So she does have a clean house sticker in here, but this one matches. It's colorful. It's same. It's from her shop as well. So I'm gonna just put this in here, and then I will make my little list there. And then since the kit does include little forks and knives, I will probably add those for our dinners at least, just to kind of know. And then I do still have to do my meal planning kit over here, but that's going to take some time. Again, if you don't know how I do it, I explain it in my last plan with me. But that is how the week turned out. And as always, it does fill up more than this because things happen. So my to-do list fills up, and then I do also fill out what I do during the day. I did want to show you my freebie from her. So obviously loving the purple, but if you just mention my name in the notes, you will get that for free. There is another PR person on hers. Her name's Gwen. You can find her on Instagram if you look up the Sticker Mama shop. But that is it for this week. I hope you guys have a great first week of August. Wait, I do need to take my measurements on this day. Measurements. I hate writing like that. Sorry, I forgot it was the first, so I do need to do that. But I do hope you guys have a great week and a great month. It starts on a Monday. If you have goals, get to it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.